place the midsole over your cover material and trace about 1.5 inches from the toe and heel and about 3 inches from the sides. You're giving this much allowance to cover the height of the midsole. Repeat for the other side. Glue the bottom of the leather and the top, sides, and bottom edge of the midsole. Place the midsole onto the center of the midsole cover and massage the cover along the top of the insole, pressing firmly into any indents. Pull over the center back heel and pleat material along the bottom. Work from the heel all the way around, adjusting wrinkles as needed. When you're done, it should look something like this. To make the straps, cut out rectangles of your desired size. Fold and stitch 1/4 inch away from the edge, right side to right side. Turn inside out and then fill with polyfill. Braid the straps by pinning one end of the 3 straps, braiding them together, and then pinning the other end closed. Glue the bottom of the strap ends and attach one end to the bottom of the midsole. Then put your foot back on the midsole and pull the other end over your foot. Trace the outline of the midsole onto EVA foam to make the foam sole. Glue the bottom of the midsole and the top of the foam sole. If your glue has dried, heat activate the glue with a heat gun and compress. And you're done!